Ubinkie, where do you think you're going? Huh? Where do you think you're going, Ubinkie? You can't go to the street. Come on, Ubinkie. Come on, you little dog. Ubinkie. Come on, you're gonna become YouTube famous. Come on, you little dog. Say hi to the camera for YouTube. You're gonna have your own channel. It's gonna be called Ubinkie's channel. You already got 19 views in just a couple of seconds, Ubinkie. Hey, Ubinkie, do not be cursing at me. Don't start cursing at me, please. No. I know you want to try and get that cigarette right there. You can't be smoking cigarettes. I know whose cigarettes that is. Don't touch it. You might get herpes. Go back to your property line, Ubinkie. You're Ubinkie-topia.